Elegant art gallery evening represent a refined cultural fashion environment where creativity, sophistication, and subtle luxury come together in a quiet yet visually powerful atmosphere. In this styling guide, we are focusing on a luxurious latex maxi skirt paired with long sleeve top, designed specifically for modern gallery visit, art exhibition, and high-end cultural events. These settings usually feature soft directional lighting, minimal noise, curated artwork, and a thoughtful audience where fashion is appreciated in a subtle and intelligent way. The purpose of this outfit concept is to create a polished, artistic, and graceful appearance that align with the refined environment of galleries. Latex maxi skirt brings smooth shine and flowing structure, while long sleeve top introduce balance, elegance, and modern sophistication. The latex maxi skirt is a distinctive fashion piece because it combines length, movement, and reflective texture in a single elegant silhouette. Its floor-length design creates a flowing vertical line that enhances posture and gives a sense of refined dramatic elegance without being loud. The glossy latex surface reflects gallery lighting in a controlled way, making the outfit visually dynamic yet still appropriate for artistic environments. Unlike shorter skirt, the maxi length adds maturity and sophistication, which is ideal for formal cultural spaces. Long sleeve tops are essential in balancing the bold texture of latex by introducing softness, structure, and visual calmness to the outfit. Art gallery environment favor minimalism, balance, and thoughtful color coordination, making outfit styling more about refinement than boldness. A black latex maxi skirt paired with an ivory or soft beige top create a classic contrast that feel artistic and timeless. Muted tones such as dusty rose, olive, or salty gray can also enhance the creative atmosphere without overwhelming the visual setting. Accessories should remain subtle, such as thin gold jewelry, minimalist ring, or small structured handbag that do not distract from the artistic environment. Footwear should remain elegant and understated, such as pointed flat or low heel, to maintain visual harmony. The overall styling should feel intentional, intelligent, and aligned with artistic surroundings. So I hope you guys like this video. A luxurious latex maxi skirt paired with long sleeve top create a sophisticated and artistic outfit ideal for elegant art gallery event. This outfit represents modern culture, elegance, creative sophistication, and timeless style suitable for high-end art and exhibition spaces. If you guys like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.